Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with NadZ. Today we'll be making bakery-style chocolate chip muffins. Do take a screenshot of the dry ingredients followed by the remaining ingredients for this recipe to make it simpler to follow. To start, let's add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and add to that a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a heaped teaspoon of salt, and whisk that together. In another bowl, add half a cup of unsalted melted butter, half a cup of granulated sugar, half cup of light brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. At this stage, whisk together the melted butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and the vanilla extract. Add the 2 large eggs and whisk in together with a low mixer speed or a hand whisk. The tip here is really to not overdo the whisking or mixing of the ingredients, otherwise you will end up with hockey pucks and not soft, moist muffins. Add in the 1 cup of sour cream and whisk it in. At this point, go ahead and mix the wet batter with our original 4 dry ingredients and whisk them or blend them together nicely. I tend to use a spatula towards the end just to clean out the edges of the bowl nicely and blend it in. Finally, add in the 2/3 cup of chocolate chips to the mixture, stir that in, and at this point you're ready to add the mixture to the muffin tray. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Once the batter is spooned out into the muffin tray, sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips onto the tops, as well as about a teaspoon of sugar for that bakery look before placing it into the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. About 18 to 20 minutes in, check with a toothpick poke into the muffins. If it's dry, it's done. Remove and place on a wire rack to cool for a few minutes. So there you have it, folks. Easy to make, everybody's favorite chocolate chip muffins. If you enjoyed my video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn on the bell so you never miss out on any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!